What if your app could feel instant, even before the server responds? React 19 gave us useOptimistic, and it's a game changer for user experience. Let me show you how it works and why you should use it today. I'm Loha, the creator of Star, where we help people perform with confidence on stage. Today, we're diving into useOptimistic, a hook that makes your UI feel faster, even when your backend isn't. Let's say a user adds a comment. You wait for the server to confirm before showing it. But this creates a delay. The UI feels sluggish. Users wonder if it worked. With useOptimistic, you pretend the update succeeded, then reconcile later. You show the comment instantly, even before the server responds. Let's compare two experiences, adding a comment. The old way, first you click on submit, then the spinner appears, then the comment shows up after 2 seconds. And the new way, where you click submit, the comment appears immediately, while the spinner is optional, but the server syncs in the background. Your app feels snappy, responsive, and confident. Let's break down the hook. Optimistic state is the temporary UI state, while add optimistic applies the optimistic update with the data that's passed into it. Then update fn, the update function, defines how to merge the data into the state. It's declarative, clean, and powerful. So why does this matter? Modern users expect instant feedback, but networks are slow and servers lag. useOptimistic bridges that gap, giving users the illusion of speed while keeping your data accurate. So you get instant UI feedback, the updates appear immediately, and no awkward waiting. And you also get a cleaner code, no manual loading states or extra flags or conditionals. And in addition to that, you get better UX. It feels fast and builds trust with users. So if you're still waiting for server responses before updating your UI, you're giving users a slower experience for no reason. React 19 gave us useOptimistic. Now it's your turn to use it. So before your next form or mutation, do this. Replace delayed updates with useOptimistic and use optimistic state to render instantly while letting the server catch up in the background. Your users don't care how long your API calls take. They care how fast it feels. So if this helped, comment "I'm optimistic" and share where you'll use it first. And if you want more dev tools that actually make a difference, hit subscribe and like the video.